What's up everyone, it's this guy, and I'm coming out today to talk about how filthy our cell phones are. So all the buzz lately is about washing your hands, sanitizing your hands, keeping your hands clean, but what are we actually doing about this thing that's covered in germs? I mean, think about it. How much time do you spend with your phone in your hand on any given day?
So in my household, we're going high tech. We actually got this bad boy from our neighbor. Now I can tell you for a fact that everybody in my house spends an insane amount of time on their cell phone. And it turns out that that phone is 25 times dirtier than a toilet seat. So if you think about it, we come into contact with many different surfaces throughout the day. And all the while, we have our cell phones in our hands. So we're just contaminating them all day long. So then we do our part and we wash our hands and we sanitize our hands and we clean our hands and do what we can. But then we pick up that dirty old phone and recontaminate ourselves all over again. So now it's mandatory that everybody places their device into the sanitizer that uses ultraviolet light to clean the phone. Basically set your phone inside and close the lid. It takes about 5 minutes and it kills everything. Let's pause right here. I'm not an actual doctor, but I'm pretty sure it works. So now my cell phone is ready to use and I don't have to worry about getting sick because it's covered in germs. Aside from all the technical stuff, you can actually clean your phone with a homemade solution. So there's different options for you. Just make sure you do it.
So whatever method you choose to clean your phone, just be sure to do it often. I mean, it makes no difference to wash your hands and then pick up a phone that's contaminated.